what we are going to do now is navigate to Task Manager by typing Task Manager in search bar, or by clicking at the same time Alt, Control and Delete, but this is easier. So find Windows Explorer, right click it and end task. Now don't panic and go to Run New Task and type explorer.exe. Now it's back again, and now what we are going to do is type cmd, run as administrator, yes, allow this app to make changes, and type command from description. Okay, now restart your PC and that should be it. But if that didn't help you, there is another solution. So go to cmd again and type other command, which I will put in description, and okay. If that didn't work, but make sure to restart your PC before doing that again, and make sure now to go to gpedit.emc and open it. If this is third solution, if other two didn't help you, and go now to computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows components, Windows updates, legacy policies, and not restart with logged on users for scheduled automatic updated solutions, sorry, and enable this command also, and make sure to restart your PC. And yeah, that should be it, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know in comment down below, and like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.